नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर वेल. Okay, my dear kids, have you prepared for today's home test? Have you finished the first lesson? Some of them didn't finish. Please see, today home test is there. Then even no one, most of them is not sending the notes to me. I'm so sad about that. Okay, my dear kids. Today, see, last class we learned the new lesson about stars, isn't it? We can't see the stars. We can't. No, we can't touch the stars like that, isn't it? More is there. There, it is very beautiful. Then it will be with the moon. Then what happened? Then we learned like that stars will suffer even cold also, hot also. Then if it is coming means we are getting so happy. Then when at once like we will blink eyes itself, it is hiding somewhere like that. Okay, so next we will continue the third para, page number 9. Second page number 9 in that second para, last para. Okay, lessons last para. Up of that you should write today's date 21/10/2020, day Budhwar. Okay, I am going to read. Listen carefully, my dear kids. आंगन में हम खाट बिछाए, देखा करते दूध नहाए, कडिन बड़ा है इनको गिनना, इनसे न हो सकता मिलना. आंगन में हम खाट बिछाए, देखा करते दूध नहाए, कडिन बड़ा है इनको गिनना, इनसे न हो सकता मिलना. What is that? Angan. Angan means courtyard. 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 Angan means courtyard. Khat means court. Khat means court. COT. Court. Court. Court means, what is that court? Where we are lying, we are keeping bed and lying, that is only coat. Then bichaye, spread. SPREAD, spread. Spread. Aangan mein hum khaat bichaye. Now you say the answer of, say the meaning of this. We will spread the coat and coat. Where we will spread the coat and lie? On the courtyard. When we are spreading the coat on the courtyard, what will happen? Dekha karte doodh nahaye. Doodh nahaye means the stars will be in which color? Stars will be in which color? White color, isn't it? Like milk. Doodh. Doodh means milk. Doodh means milk. Nahaye means showered. Showered. SHOWERED, showered. So doodh nahaye, when we are spreading the coat on the courtyard and seeing there how it looks like it is showered with the milk. Why it is telling like the stars are so white color, isn't it, like milk? So it is telling like that is showered with the milk. Then kadin bada hai inko ginna. Kadin, difficult. Inko ginna. Ginna we learned on the last class. What is that ginna? Counting. Last lesson we learned counting. So kadin bada hai inko ginna. What is the meaning of that now? It's difficult to count the stars, isn't it? It's difficult to count the stars. Last lesson we learned that only, isn't it? Chanda gindi bhul gaya. What he forgot? That moon forgot to count the stars. Why? Because he can't count the stars, isn't it? So that it is telling that it's difficult to count the stars. Then inse na ho sakta milna. Milna. What is the milna? Meeting or getting. meeting, milna. We can't meet that also. We can't go near to that, isn't it? Whether we can go near to the stars? No, isn't it? So inse na ho sakta milna. We can't go near the stars. So we can't meet the stars. आंगन में हम खाट बिछाए. Angan is spreading the coat on the courtyard. We are seeing that the stars are showering with the. It looks like a showered with the milk, and it's difficult to count that one, and also we can't see that. We can't meet that one. Now understood, my dear kids? That much only, that lesson. Okay, we will go to the book exercise. Take page number 10. Take page number 10. There it is written Kalam ki Savari. There you see, my dear kids. कविता की अधूरी पंक्तियों को पूरा करें. Means अधूरी पंक्तियों means missed lines. Missed lines, you have to fill that line. Adhuri means half, it not finished line. It is there, you have to finish that one. Okay, so you have to see the poem and you have to fill this one. Like first one I'll say Neel dash par chamke tare. You can turn your page and see where it is. In the lesson itself, in the poem itself, this word is there. You can find from the textbook. Neel dash par chamke tare. Neel gagan. Gagan. Gagan will come there. Gagan. Neel gagan par chamke tare. Sundar sundar dash pyare. What pyare? Pyare pyare. Isn't it? Pyare pyare. You can see you can turn the page and see that is the starting of the lesson. Neel gagan par chamke tare, sundar sundar pyare pyare. This is the first two lines of the poem. Then next line you see Kabhi, that also the third line and fourth line. Kabhi dash dero sare. Kabhi dikhte डेरों सारे लगते करते खूब इशारे. खूब इशारे. So that is there from the textbook only. Okay, my dear kids, find this and do this. Next two line I am giving you as homework. Okay, as homework. Do it in your home. Okay, homework. It's very easy only. You can see the picture and you can see the poem and you can copy the same in the textbook. That much only. It's very easy. Okay. Then next topic, Vachan. Vachan means tense. Like Vachan means what we will say singular plural. Vachan having two parts, singular and plural. How much is there? See, if one is there means singular, two is there means plural, we will say. Isn't it? In Hindi also the same it is there. शब्द के जिस रूप से एक या अनेक होने का पता चलता है. By seeing the word itself, we are feeling that it is one or more. शब्द के जिस रूप से एक या अनेक का पता चलता है उसे वचन कहते हैं. Once more, read with me, my dear kids. शब्द के जिस रूप से एक या अनेक होने का पता चलता है उसे वचन कहते हैं. What is that? Once more, शब्द के जिस रूप से एक या अनेक होने का पता चलता है उसे वचन कहते हैं. Okay, then वचन. Example you see, बच्चा. Bacha means child. So what will be the plural? Children, isn't it? So Hindi word bacche. So bacha, bacche. So bacha is child, bacche means children. Then ledka, boy. So boy is ledke. Aankh, eye. Aankhe, eyes. Okay, my dear kids, that is only. Okay, then take page number 11. Up of that you can see the definition of that. शब्द के जिस रूप से एक या अनेक होने का पता चलता है उसे वचन कहते हैं. Underline that words, my dear kids. That first line you underline till here. वचन कहते हैं. Underline that. Then it is telling that वचन के दो प्रकार होते हैं. Two types are there. What and all we learned in a singular and plural. Listen, in Hindi we will say ekavachan. This is ekavachan. Ekavachan means singular. Singular. Ekavachan. Then bahuvachan means plural. Plural. So you can see ekavachan, it is written bacha, right? Then bahuvachan, plural we will say bache. Isn't it? The same like that. Then you see the number 1 question. दिए गए शब्दों को वचन अनुसार अलग करके लिखें. Means you have to separate according to the vachan, like singular or plural. So if it is 1 means singular, 1 or 2, 2 or 3 means plural, right? Chanda, first one, chanda. Chanda what? Moon. Is it 1? 1 only. So ekavachan. Up of that you should write a. Okay. Then gagan, sky. That is also 1, isn't it? So ekavachan. Then tare. Tare means stars. So tara means star. Stars means bahuvachan. So up of that you should write bahuvachan. Okay. Then ishare. Ishare, actions, gestures. So S is there. So S plural. So we will say bahuvachan. Then angan, courtyard, only 1. So ekavachan. Then cart. Cart means cot. That also only 1. So ekavachan. Right? Then aankhem. We learned aankhem. Aank means eye. Aankhe means eyes. So bahuvachan. Then sardiyam, hots. So bahuvachan. Okay. You write that on the textbook. Okay, my dear kids. Then this book, Pustak B book, you have to take. Pustak B book is there, na? That activity book that you have to take. And in the first page what it is written means you have to write today's date there. Okay, I forgot to write the date. Write the date there, 21/10/10. Okay, write that. 21/10/2000. Here you should write. Okay, here dinang means date. There you should write the date. What it is written means kahani ka sar, the meaning of the story. What meaning means? This is the first lesson activity. Okay, so you have to write chanda ginti phul gaya kahani ko apne shabdon mein likhe. It is telling that story chanda ginti phul gaya you should write in your own words. Can you able to write? It's difficult, isn't it? So ma'am has written. Okay, so you have to copy this. No one want to study and all, only little. एक दिन चंदा तारों को गिनना शुरू किया. One day moon has started counting the stars. That this is simply for covering that activity. This is not for exam and all. Okay, only for covering that book, because we can't leave that book, isn't it? So what and all is important for you, that I will make you to learn. Okay, this and all is not important. So you will just copy that and in that notebook. Then it's the time for our home test. I will send the question paper to you. So first I will send this only. By seeing this itself, if you can try and write. Okay. Then see first question, swara akshar likho. Write the swara akshar. Swara akshar means first you have to take one paper, then you have to write your name, you have to write the class, Hindi, Khar Pariksha. Khar Pariksha means this is only Khar Pariksha it is written. Khar Pariksha means home test. Then write date. Then you have to start writing. You have to put first Roman letter. This one you have to put Then you have to write the answer. What is that? Swarakshar liko means A to Aha you should write. Okay, write the vowels. Okay, write that A to Aha, because I didn't mention you to learn that letters, isn't it? So I kept these letters only. Okay, my dear kids. So I didn't say you to learn that. But A to Aha you everyone knows. If you don't know, you learn and write. Okay, my dear kids, no problem. Then second Roman letter. Arth liko. Write the meanings. Number 1, Suraj. What is the meaning of Suraj? Only write the answer. No need of question. Okay. First one, Suraj. Second one, Asman. Second one, what? Asman. Third one, Dharti. Dharti. Fourth one, Chattan. Chattan. Fifth one, Tare. Tare. Once more I am reading. First one, Suraj. Second one, Asman. Third one, Dharti. Fourth one, Chattan. Fifth one, Tare. Okay, have you clear? Okay, my second, third Roman letter, Saknya Shabdon ko chant kar likho. We learned nouns in the first lesson, isn't it? So, in these 3 questions I have written, in that you have to find out the nouns, which is the noun word. That only you should write as the answer. Okay. First one, Mera naam Ram hai. My name is Ram. In that, which is the saknya, which is the noun, you should write that only. Okay. Mera naam Ram hai. My name is Ram. Then second one, हम करंगल से करंगल में रहते हैं. Means we are living in Karangal. We are staying in Karangal. Which is the noun word, you should write that much only. हम करंगल में रहते हैं. Then third one, यह पुस्तक है. This is a book. यह पुस्तक है. This is a book. Which is the noun word, you should write that as the answer in that. Okay, have you clear, my dear kids? Okay, my dear kids, this much only. Write the home test and send it to me. Okay, don't forget. Please, those who didn't finish the first lesson, finish the notes and send it to me. This home test paper, I must come. Okay, it should come to me. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, Dhanyavad.